Want to transfer your Zoho Mail data to another email client? Meet Regain Zoho Mail Migration Tool, an easy-to-use tool that lets you transfer Zoho emails safely and quickly. Let's take a quick look at some amazing features of this software. Migrate Zoho emails to Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook.com, Yandex, IMAP, and more. Save Zoho emails into PST, PDF, MBOX, EML, EMLX, ICS, and vCard formats. Directly transfer emails to Microsoft 365, Exchange Server, and Google Workspace. Preview emails and attachments before migration. Migrate single or multiple mailboxes at the same time. Keeps your email formatting and folder structure safe during migration, and there's a lot more features to explore. Now let's see how you can download and install the free trial version of this software on your device. First, open Google and search for Regain Zoho Mail Migration. From the search results, simply open our official website. Here, you can purchase the software at a reasonable price or try the free trial version. Just click on the free download button and the setup file will start downloading on your device. Once the download is complete, go to the file location and double-click the exe file to start the installation. Don't worry, the installation is very simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions and keep clicking Next, and within a few moments, the software will be installed successfully. After installation, open the software. You will see a clean login interface on your screen. Now, to start migrating your Zoho Mail emails, first log in with your Zoho account. Along with Zoho Mail, this tool also supports other email services like Gmail/G Suite, Yahoo Mail, Yandex, Rediff Mail, GoDaddy, Outlook/Hotmail/MSN, Hostinger Webmail, IMAP or other accounts, and AOL accounts. But since our main focus is Zoho Mail, select Zoho Mail from the left panel. Then enter your email address and password. If you have two-step verification enabled, make sure to use your app password instead of your regular password, otherwise login may fail. After entering the details, click on the Login button. Once the login is successful, your Zoho Mail account will be connected and you can see all your folders. Just click on any folder to preview emails at the top and select any email to view its content in the preview panel below. Now let's move to the migration process. Click on the Cloud Migration option from the top menu. A list of email platforms will appear. If you choose any of the first 4 options, another login wizard will open for the target account. From these multiple email accounts, you can select your targeted account in which you want to migrate to. For this tutorial, I am selecting Yahoo Mail. Then you need to enter the corresponding email address and the password. Use the app password in case two-step verification is turned on in your email account. Then click on the Login button. After a successful connection, you'll see a confirmation window. Here, carefully check both your source, Zoho, and target, Yahoo accounts. Then click Import Now. The migration will start, and depending on your mailbox size, it may take a few minutes to complete. Now, if you want to migrate your Zoho Mail emails to Office 365 or Exchange Server, simply click on Cloud Migration again and select Office 365/Exchange Server. Here, you'll see 2 login methods, Basic Authentication and Multi-Factor Authentication. In Basic Authentication, simply select your server type, then enter your server address, username, and password, and finally click on the Login Now button to proceed the migration. But if you want to continue with the multi-factor authentication, then click on the Login Now button first. The Microsoft 365 login wizard will appear. Here, simply sign in to your Microsoft 365 account as normally you do, by entering email address, password, and other necessary credentials. After login, the migration process remains the same as shown earlier. Now let's look at the export feature. Click on the Export option from the top menu. Here, you can export Zoho Mail data into multiple formats like PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, HTML, MBOX, and PDF. For this example, I am selecting the PST format. Then click on the Browse button and choose your destination folder where you want to store the output file and click OK. Finally, hit the Convert Now button and the export process will begin. Once the export process is finished, the output file will be saved on your local device. And that's a complete and easy walkthrough of the Regain Zoho Mail migration tool. For more details, visit our official website and download the free trial version today. Thanks for watching.